Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the HP Laserjet P2015 printer driver on your PC. So first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for this URL, which is support.hp.com/drivers. So when you are here on this particular page, among the given options, simply click on the option of printer. Now it is going to show you this type of search bar in front of you. So here in this particular search bar, you just have to type the model of the printer, which in our case is HP Laserjet P2015 printer. So when you search for it, you will find it here in this list. Simply click on it and it is going to redirect you on this particular page. Now here, click on the option of choose a different operating system. Then click on the option of operating system. After that, select the option of Windows. Now in the version, simply select the option of Windows 11. Then click on the option of update. Now from the given options here, you can click on the option of driver universal printer, or you can also click on the option of utility or universal printer driver. So here you can click on any of the download buttons available here. Let's say I want to download this one. So after clicking on it, the setup will be downloaded on your device. In order to install it, simply double click on the setup and you just have to install the driver on your PC or on your laptop. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.